top 5 24 volts jump starters. Which is the best for you? It's cold and rainy, and you're exhausted. You get in your car, turn the key, and nothing happens. At this point, you could either suffer alone while you wait for the tow truck to arrive, or you could break out one of these 24-volt jump starters and crank your engine back to life. Many also have other bells and whistles, such as 12-volt DC outlets and USB ports to charge your phone. We are present the top 5 24 volts jump starters. Let's get started with the lists. 1. Solar 4001. Any mechanic or auto body shop should have the Solar 4001, around $637, on hand. It sits on its own dolly, so navigating it around cars and tools is pretty easy, and it shouldn't throw your back out. It can work with 2 user-installed batteries at a time. It can be used on flooded batteries, reverse polarity protection and 10-foot cables. 2. Mr. Car Tool EM315. The Mr. Car Tool EM315, about $330, uses simple digital displays to show its output voltage and current, and has 4 indicator LEDs to help keep you advised of its present status. Its telescoping handle tucks away neatly under the unit, until you're ready to move it. It features rubber wheels, mitigate vibrations, works down to -40 degrees F and Class F insulation rating. 3. Jump N Carry JNC1224. At 40 pounds, the Jump N Carry JNC1224, APPX. $363, is a heavy-duty option that's more than capable of getting your jalopy up and running again. The clamps are stout, as well, and capable of penetrating corroded terminals to deliver juice to your engine. It features easy-to-change voltage settings, starts vehicles immediately and charges continuously when plugged in. 4. Claw Automotive Truck Pack ES1224. The Claw Automotive Truck Pack ES1224, about $356, can save you in horrible weather, as it works in temperatures as low as -20 and as high as 115 Fahrenheit, and it'll use an audible buzzer to let you know if you're getting your terminals mixed up or using the wrong voltage setting. It delivers 1500 peak amps, insulated heavy-duty clamps and cables are 5 feet long. 5. Schumacher DSR 115. If you're not sure exactly how to jump start your car, there are plenty of tutorials online. But what if your phone's dead, too? The Schumacher DSR 115, about $355, has you covered, with an external USB port that can power up your iPhone to let you figure out how to juice up your car. It features 12-volt DC outlet, convenient digital display and needs frequent recharging. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel, and don't forget hit the subscribe button.